everyone, it is Cassey's channel. Today we are going to make the ketchup. But instead of one flavor, we're making 3 flavors.
Wait, what are you guys making again?
Kutsinta.
Okay, she said chinta. Okay, so do you want to show the ingredients?
Yes, we
Okay, let's start with Cassey.
have ube.
Okay, that's ube.
And brown sugar.
Okay, wait. We show it first. Ube,
Ube. And
ube extract, and then
extra.
yeah.
Ube extra.
Yeah, like a flavor. And then this one, the other one is that's pandan.
Done.
Yeah, pandan extract. So we're gonna, like what Kuya said, we're gonna be making 3 flavors of Kutsinta. And what's this one?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. This one is
Never tried it.
okay. That's tapioca or the cassava flour. Brown sugar.
Flour.
Okay, all-purpose flour, and then we have that one is a lye water. Okay, we have 3 cups of water. We're gonna have a lye water.
Yeah.
And of course, the regular Kutsinta, which is the annato seed. But we're making, we're using annato powder. Okay, so are you guys ready?
Yes. Go. Rainbow.
Okay, ready to go? Ready to start?
I see 3, 2, 1. Begin.
Okay. So who's gonna be mixing? You can start with the dry ingredients first.
So first, what should we put, Mom?
Yeah, you can choose whichever you want.
I think brown sugar.
Okay, you start with the brown sugar.
We just need to pour everything. We have to pour everything?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
just be careful, okay?
Whoa, it is so satisfying. It's like kinetic sand. Yeah.
I've never let you guys play with kinetic sand.
Yeah, it's pretty boring.
I think it's not. It's just like it's a big mess.
Yeah, it's a big mess. So if you want to buy kinetic sand, you have to be ready for a big mess.
Yeah. Same thing with Play-Doh. That's why we can't let you guys play with the Play-Doh, because sometimes you would put it on the carpet and man, that's a big mess, you know.
Ow.
I feel bad that you. Oh, be careful.
Oh
Cassie.
no, my hand. There's so much.
That's why you gotta be careful.
Yeah, always ask for adult to be in the good side. Or always have like a part.
Hold on.
Now, what ingredients?
So this is just water. Okay.
Now we have to take turns.
Okay.
But it's not the good one because it's being bossy. No, fighting is not the good way because you won't get the teamwork.
Yeah.
Teamwork always makes the dream work.
Yep. Absolutely.
Now can I try? Here you go.
And then, okay.
I'll
Just be
clean it.
careful. Yeah, just be careful.
I'll just clean it.
Next one would be, no, it's not. It's just the right amount of water. Actually, I followed this one I followed the recipe from my friend Julie. She used to be my coworker before when I was still teaching, and I looked at the picture that she made, and it looks like, oh wow, that looks really good. I'm gonna try that. So we have already made this one before. I just followed the recipe online.
Yeah, so now we're making 2 flavors.
3. We're actually making 3.
Oh.
But first, you need to mix it all together, like really nicely. Okay, come on, Cass, keep on mixing and make sure there will be no lumps. And I think what we should do is we're going to strain it before we put it in here. Okay.
Like what happened to right here.
Okay, so we're just gonna mix the color. So let's do the regular one. See, it's so important that you're going to strain it. That way you can take out whatever lumps is in there.
Yeah. Taking out the lumps is always a good idea.
Absolutely. And now we're going to add the
cheese.
annato seed.
I said cheese.
Cheese? No, not a cheese base.
Looks like cheese.
So I don't like it too dark. And I don't like it too light either. So I'm just gonna mix it with this. About 1 teaspoon of this. And we'll find out. Then I have to make sure that there are no lumps on this one too. I don't think
Still
there's
another one there for the other flavors.
Huh?
There is another one over there for the second flavors.
Yeah.
I know what cheese.
Yeah, remember we're gonna be making like
3 flavors.
3 flavors.
One.
Oops, be careful. Be careful when you mix it. Okay, so we're ready to steam this. And we're gonna use we need to grease the thing, that way it's not gonna get stick to the mold. Okay, ready guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is actually like a Buddha cheese pudding.
Okay, Cassey, give it to me, babes.
So if you want,
Do you guys want to do it?
no. I want to do it.
Okay, you want to try it? Okay, you have to take out. You have to take out the.
Ask for help.
Yeah, it's okay. You guys can make it. That's the reason why. Oh, be careful, please.
See, always ask an adult for
Okay,
help.
only 3/4 of that. Don't put everything in there. Okay.
It's so
Oopsie.
satisfying.
Whoops, that's enough. Well, it would be more satisfying if you guys are gonna eat it, but I'm not sure if these kids are gonna eat it.
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. It's your first time. But I'm sure Cassey will.
No, I'm not like it. I don't like it.
Oops. I just.
haven't even tried it.
Yeah, she hasn't tried. The reason why we're making this one is because I asked them to.
Yeah, and
I wanted them to try this. But it's not fair because you guys don't like it, so.
we never tried this.
Yeah, well, I think you should try, even just a little. Next one, the next flavor.
And me and Messi were in the wrong chair.
Okay.
And I was in Messi chair. And so
Okay.
And
So.
Messi was in my chair.
Okay. So, are you ready for the next one? So, who's gonna pour it in here? Pour half of it. You do it, Kuya. Come on. Oops. Ooh. Half. Only half. Okay, more. It's gotta be more. More.
Huh?
Little. I just said little.
Try to make a little.
It's okay.
I want to make it.
I think it's already dark. See? It's gonna be darker now. I just wanted it lighter. But that's okay.
Well, this is my first time.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, it's not really dark, so it's good. I think we're gonna add a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. So this
I
time.
want to try.
Okay, Cassey.
Make sure
Control,
to be
control.
quiet.
Okay, that's enough.
Well, that was
See?
a lot. Now that's a lot.
Is that your song? Okay.
I made it by myself.
Which
Mama
one?
forgot to put more on this one.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. And I also covered this thing. Ooh, no. 3.
I'm gonna take the lid.
Oh, it smells really good. I really love it.
So I'm going to be pouring the pandan. Cassie's cleaning all the colors first.
Just a little bit though. Okay. That should be good.
One more. And
I love the smell of. Ooh, did you smell that? It smells so good.
oh, it
Okay,
smells
and then we're gonna put a little bit of. Should we make a little bit?
Looks like a level up mushroom. This is like
Pandan flavor. See? So it's gonna be. It's only gonna be like 15 minutes. Let's see.
We're back again. So Kutsinta is ready.
Kutsinta. So
Now
cute.
you're gonna add the cheese.
Say it again. Say it again and say Kutsinta.
Kutsinta.
Good job.
Kutsinta.
Yeah, so we have our Kutsinta in 3 flavors. Now you're going to add the cheese.
I'm gonna put them in half size. I didn't
Okay.
know this was good.
Yeah, so it really tastes so good. It's like parang yung parang yung tinitinda sa, it reminds me of my childhood. Yung parang tinitinda sa just to use, because I use brown sugar on this one. Mas mabuti kung yung white sugar yung gamitin. Para lumalabas talaga yung ube at saka yung pandan. Kasi medyo parang dark siya, so hindi siya ganun ka-green. Dapat sana yellow-green. Lumalabas pa rin yung ube pero it's a little bit darker. So, wala kaming fresh na or grated coconut, so instead, yung cheese na lang yung gagamitin ko. So, it actually tastes really good. Better than the one that I made before. There, you go like that. Nicely, please.
Ooh, can I try?
Oh yeah, of course. Cassey, be nice, okay?
Don't put in here another one. No!
You make sure that you're going to spread the cheese, so it's have to spread it evenly. And then you're going to have a taste test, okay?
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if you guys are gonna like it, but I hope you
I'm
will.
not gonna have a test.
Taste test. Decide here, Baba.
What? Now can I try?
Okay, now you have your turn. Yeah, it's your turn now. I want a lot of cheese, guys. I want a lot. And thank you guys for cooking my favorite Kutsinta. Here, baby. Decide here, baby.
I don't want it. I want to do it.
Okay, well you have to be fast. Okay. It's taste test time. By the way, let me take a. Okay, try one. If you don't like it, that's fine. You don't have to.
This is
eat
the
it.
one with cheese.
Okay. So Cassey, use your fork, baby. You have your fork over there.
I'm just gonna move the cheese. I want it.
Okay. I'll eat the cheese if you don't want it. Which one are you gonna try? The ube one?
Yeah.
Okay. Taste it with your hand. Okay, try.
So I can get more energy. Need more energy.
So what do you think? Does it taste good or no?
Oh, the cheese tastes good.
I told you, you're gonna love it.
Too soft.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. I like it chewy and gooey.
Yeah, but it's too gooey.
Too gooey for you. Okay. And what about the taste? Is it too sweet for you or?
Gooey perfect, but it's just too gooey.
Yeah, I know you don't like
I
gooey.
like the gooey.
The googie. Okay, and so.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let's have 10 likes, okay?
10 likes? Only 10?
10 likes or higher.
Okay.
Just 10 or higher.
What about Cassey?
And also share. I hope you subscribe. I hope you subscribe and hit my bell. Just subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Okay.